Welcome everyone. Class 10 History. Masi taka doido lesson jina ngarang makhani the making of nationalism in Europe. Yengaji masi doido chapter je. Making of nationalism in Europe paba kanadi akoina mainly asida khangdoi je Europe ki any change ma la ke the society jana khang patara society je karam mongi society ma society da mi je liberal lebra absolutist labor, aristocracy labor, French Revolution to pie. Society jam depend to because social conditions are when history that the social conditions yam maru oi. Revolution ama social condition, economic condition, political conditions mayam laiko mayam je introduced over kandati. Aduna masi akhona to doi ja the making of nationalism in Europe. Asida kwai de hana thina ga doi jidi akhona extent of Habsburg empire thenrakani पादोइजे पादोइजेदा अखोना तेरे पारगदला दुई मतुंगदा aristocracy lakani middle class kanano middle class se kamaina hawra ino aristocracy habsina kanano khangju khangabni class 9 da pagarabni adui matungda liberalism nadaga liberal saje kanano real liberals na khalli bo khanje karino ha adugi matungda akana amu makha chathra ko na matamdugi leiriba europe ki condition economic condition khamai tawi makoi je freely trade tawba ngambra ngamdabra ha aduna freely trade tawna ma kari introduce tawni karamba union ama form tawdori parakadoi je jolvarians kaina api form tawkodoi kana form tawdoino russia na form tawdoini adugi makara conservatives have je kana no ha ni conservatives to ka manabra another 1815 da laiba conservatives na khetna bra conservatives la ani conservatives la in Napoleon 1804 the oramba ningdau emperor ja 1815 the mighty granny battle of Waterloo da alliance sama form to ga ma ga lan song na doini adu the yauri ba alliance da yauri ba mi mayam je country mayam do mokoi mayam pullaga treaty of Vienna 1815 amu we set up to doini adu da Napoleon na tawrokpa mayam ja lo yamu thugai grane पामदबा मैम मखोना पामिसदी हानगी अरीबा फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट सेमकपा पामकदोनी नेपोलियन की फ्रेंच आर्मी ना ऑक्युपेशन तौबजे कंट्रोल तौना मखोना सेम आनी मखन मखन की पोत ना सेमकदोनी कंजर्वेटिव्स ना कई तौरकनी कंजर्वेटिव्स ना मखोइसे सेफ होना मा सेंसरशिप थमानी सेंसरशिप थमदुजिना करिगिनो मखोइ माइ तो वांगांग नमदना मयाम जे जे खोइना पादुजी अदुवाई तपना तपना पारके ज्ञान ताना लाइक तो येंगो फर्स्ट अखोइना पादो द मेकिंग ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप को अजदे येंगो अखोइना 18th century mid 18th century द येंगबा कांदा द नेशन स्टेट हाइब जे सुमलै लेरमदे देयर वर नो नेशन स्टेट्स हाइ सुमी को नेशनल स्टेट लेरमदे नेशनल स्टेट लेरमदे Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms and duchies and cantons. Kanano, autonomous territories lerame, whose ruler had their own autonomous territories. Mai magi masa masagi macha 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 hai tayane matam. Eastern and the Central Europe's kanayonata autocratic monarchy gi makhada lerame. Natra, ahan bagi warini and within the territories of which lived diverse people. They did not see even themselves sharing collective identity. Common culture, common identity, common culture, common identity. How the nation states my form to do. Unity have a potential later. Unity have a potential later. Strong or often they spoke different languages that belong to different ethnic groups. Aduga, asida quite mapangali the Habsburg Empire highs that rule over Austria-Hungary. Another kida the rule away Habsburg Empire, Austria-Hungary da. Makoidi was a patchwork of different reason and the people. Patchwork. Adi samjallaga, pochallaga, makan makan mi maya, makan makan lam maya, pochallaga, same ba empire amaneba. kari magi territories se khamai to yem ko mangon da yauri ba lam hai ta re yem alpine region le ra khara northern side ta the Tyrol, Natra, Austria and Sudeten land as well as Bohemia where the aristocracy was predominantly kanano German speaking karamba lon loli ayamana sida ledi mi meyam je German speaking autocracy ni ko sile autocracy kanana aristocracy kana karamba speaking people aristocracy karamba lai Habsburg empire kwadi am ledi je German speaking people aduga khara ji am kai tawe it include Italian speaking people ju however Italian speaking province Lombardy Venetia ga jaise ne Italy lai doine Italian lo lumba Hungary dadi half of the people kari oe Magyar asi lo je lo le ha aduga half na kari oli different dale makan makan gi loan doine asina kari oe Habsburg empire khamai toge khamai na form toge patchwork hai gi ko aina ahan bhai bada was a patchwork of different region and peoples sumika in Galicia the aristocracy spoke Polish Galicia agana Polish lon lole beside these three dominant groups there also live the boundaries of the empire a mass subject peasants like Bohemians lay, Slovaks lay, to the north, Slovenia's in Carnello, Croats lay, South, Romans lay, Transylvania da sige mafam sida lay. And asige different group lay mafam sida sense of political unity je khamai lakaduino. A sense of political unity porke haradi. Isagi one language, nisai France na to give one language karamba loan France ki asidaju mokoina poraki adi mokogi loan ama introduce to tare mogi flag ama introduce to mokogi han nama national song thong the national anthem thong the economic condition pull up na mana bata mana da disumo or right aduna han dai do there were no nation states size kamika such difference did not easily promote a sense of political unity. The only tie binding a diverse group of people was a common allegiance to the emperor. Emperor. Common allegiance. Diverse groups and pundone, Vasina Hogi Mindoni Mana, Akogi Miniana, some Punjala Lego, do minus some labor. Hangiko, Adu nation state fee, let them day, a nation state immersed of Bakanda. I know I have Asidi Akona Pai, nation state let them day. Habsburg Empire ki macet amakata pabawan sumaina lerami patchworks wena hujik padu jina aristocracy marakadu yawgi dun aristocracy have kanano middle class have na kanano middle class na kamaina ore ino have ja khangdune aristocracy khange has the moko is the manly landed aristocracy natra social and politically landed ne lam yam lai moko ye Asigi members in a this class was united by a common way of life, common way of that cut across regional division. Makoy chatnabi, makoy na chatliba habits, culture, mayam je khara manahan manaba. Akoy na kuli, akoy adu tawi gan moy masen manaraga lemina. Makoy luhongani machan pisum thani, machan panasum thani, adu na jum koy je united oira thambe. Marriage alliance tawe. Natradi mokoy tungan talay duni mokoy groups di ang pikrajani they own karitawe states in the countryside lam lay mokoy town lay town da and also townhouse lay mo ayam kari lon lo lay French for purpose of diplomacy and in high society France ya hana yam chakar me high society the French lo la di yam haire French lo di yam chawkhat le in families were often connected by the ties of marriage. Ano nga sa hagi ba? Pwede marriage. Families masenja. Amaga long na doon May machano pina sum na thado ni sumi machano pina sum na piraka doon Have the relation nama form to nama. Hoy masenja united hoy nama. This powerful aristocracy was however numerically small group. Kamay to Isa people group ni. Ano nga sa hagi do? Pikani. Inakon mamiyam de. The majority population was made up of peasantry. Adu asigi makhunde kana kana lay peasantry. Westana Bulk of the lands was farmed by the tenant. Lomi lay, migi lamda suba lomizu lady, masagi lamda suba lomizu lay. While in the Eastern Europe, the pattern of holding was characterized by the vast estate which were cultivated by the serf. Serf na cultivate to lamje. Kenare ka kari khang aristocracy ka no ina kumba lam yam laiba. Makhoi masen je united hoy. Khamai united hoy due to the connected by the ties of marriage. Makhoi ki lam yam lai. Makhoi ayam mana kari loli diplomacy da French lom loli. Makhoi ki groups hai yam pi. Aduda natana makhoi ki lamjida lai rija farmer ju lai tenant su lai masagi lam lai jaba farmer ju lai migi makhada suba farmer ju lai. Clear? Adu hujik amuk next topic ta yengje kari haige haibana. In the western part of Central Europe, the growth of industrial production and trade mean the growth of town and the emergence of commercial class. Western part of the Europe, Central Europe, the industrial production, industrial revolution, how ko aduna matam duda asida how another class, commercial class, ama form to business to whose existence was based on the production for the market. Industrialization the England the gave the second half of the 18th century ni France the France in the part of German state during the 19th century. Europe mana deko Britain the togi and the Europe the torongani have to Britain the togra first half second half of the 19th century 18th century aduga 19th century the kidada France ka Germany the lie asigi matam jida a new social group came into being working class population. Working class population thola to robne ho jai industrial revolution tawre industrial hore industrial age thabak tawada mi pochai yongada mi pochai pusalakada mi yam lerani ko aduna middle class ama form to of industrialists kana khana mo businessmen professionals later ko Central ga Eastern Europe tadi asigi group se PE karama matam bhau late 19th century da aduga mokhoi ayamadi kai tawi larik hai middle class larik hai moje liberal khara oe mi do yam tina rabina liberal oe ba habdi mokhoi ji asida business taw doiba class ne aduna mokhoi ding esa ena haibu kai pamni mokhoi ji business se free flow tawba restriction laitaba chap chat mana ba ngesa Napoleon na puthoi do civil court da civil court da natra chap mana ba weight chap mana ba paisa chap mana ba tariff piba marakta restriction amaju laitaba adugumba pama ne mokoidi adugumba pama di mokon aristocracy have a pose pama kadra pamoidra pamroi ka mokona pama ko doje develop freedom have a pose la ka doini aduna mokona kari tora national unity following the abolition of aristocracy privileges gain popularity moi kari pam de class idea the national unity pami mokoi khamai toroga abolition of aristocratic privileges kanana aristocratic privileges akoina French revolution ki matamda pagi bado first state second state clergy mokoi mamna loriba privileges mayam ja piru roidam muthot to ne moina pam thai khangi ko ado next hujik pagi ja aristocracy na ade de middle class kanano working class people like su hai business su hai doini mokoidi hinang sai habdo mokoina pamdo je national unity pame hamai toraga aristocratic se muthalaga ko aduga hujik pado je liberal nationalism mokoina liberals and a class 9 da pagi free oiba natra adu liberals have je kanano asim the idea of national unity in the early 18th century 19th century Europe was closely allied to the ideology of liberalism. A term liber, not a liberalism, Latin root liber. Liber have the kaikawi free. aduga for the new middle class ngase mathakta legibado middle class na moy de kari hana liberalism stood for freedom for the individual and equality for all before the law. Middle class na khali liberalism kaino freedom piu freedom no dune individuals ki chap manana ina khongera la gera loi mana dune. Politically, it emphasized the concept of government by consent. Aman economic ni right ni hujina political la political da kari hai. It emphasized the concept of government by consent. Migi ayaba ka yauna ma. Mina yada di government semoy. Mina yada di same gada. Hujikan tong ni vote se asigi wakan cheli ni ko. In the French Revolution, liberalism stood for the end of autocracy and clerical privileges. French Revolution dadi जैसे autocracy मुथत खराब बनी, clerical privileges मुथत खराब बनी, and a constitution and representative government formed through parliament. So मैं कहा 19th century the liberals also stressed the inviolability of property. Inviolability of private property. Mathakta lirakadoni ko makoy na haje private property ke jujik thamakro bani matam khara matungda ahan made private property thamba yade ga habisiyo. Yet equality before the law did not necessarily stand for the universal suffrage. When the suffrage hana hai suffrage have the kind of the right to vote. Right to vote. Jacobians ke matam dadi khara pirami. Napoleon na laaga mu pidre. Napoleon na sira matungda mu phangaroi. You will recall that the revolutionary France, which marked the first political experiment in liberal democracy, the right to vote and to get elected and granted exclusively to the property owning man. French Revolution the Pico, property owning man da. Man without property and all women were excluded from the property. Political right they exclude the way. Ahan the French Revolution. French Revolution lo igra matungda group ama amu French Revolution gi mathang the revolution macha ama tawi Jacobians hoina we lakani Jacobians hoina la kan di did all adult male enjoying suffrage. However, amu kai tore Napoleon la kan di Napoleon court na kai togi Napoleon court na tawra kan di kai tawra suffrage and reduce limited suffrage tawra aduga women to the status of minor subject to the authority of father and husband. Women ja father ga husband gi makha thamani pagare ko class 9 da kaugano. Although throughout the 19th century, the early 20th century, women and non-propertied men organized opposition movement demanding equal political rights. Asiju tawgi French Revolution gi matamda ahanbada pi khara right pi te political right mi ina kumanatadi ani subada pira ju nupi de pak yaude ahum subada ju amu cancel tawgine ma ko. In the economic sphere, economic, social, political, yam maruoi revolution amada asidu lakodone same thing. In the economic sphere, in the economic sphere in the economic sphere, the liberalism stood for the freedom of market. Liberalism means the freedom of market. I think it's a high yield. And the abolition of state-imposed restriction on the movement of goods and capital. Restriction thamba yaroi. Mokoina pamdu restriction muthatpa. Markets free wana chatpa. During the 19th century, there was a strong demand of emerging middle class. Misagi middle class kangu businessmen, professionals may have demand tarai. Adu yengji hujikna German speaking regions in the first half of the 19th century the karamba munga lerambano aina angarang ju hagi badus sige amogi ya weight manate currency manate mafam amada mafam amagi duties manate adu sige example ja khara yenga ji small principalities lerami 39 state ni German da matamduda pisak pikna makan makan gi each of these possesses its own currency paisa masa masa gi lejai ko asi 39 gi 39 currency 30 currency ai tara matamduda le weight and measures masa masa gi weight and measures akoi gi na khara dana kilo phaga kilo hai jo atop mahun atop lon ado weight chu mana da khara na kilo da gram tara wat pa gram kun wat pa sumana sum le ram ba doine a merchant traveling in as an example makana mani wari macha amani ko traveling 1833 Hamburg dagi Nuremberg da pot ama yon ye na chat pa da kan di ma je 11 custom barriers cross tawdoini aduga custom duties pi doini 5% at each one of them 11 di da 5% pi doini mana pu dei poche di yon dei poche di adu ma je kana ga dori ko kana gadra kana roy duties were often levied according to the weight or measurement of the good you know duties se levies se tawdoini magi weight magi measurement puri poche dugi matungina as each region had its own system of weight and measure. This involved time-consuming calculation. Mananam holakpaga nadi matha sadoine. The measure of cloth, for example, was the L height, known as L height, E-L-L-E, which in each region stood for a different length. An L of textile material brought in Frankfurt, the lower you will get 54.5 centimeter of cloth. Aduga main study 55.1 centimeter. Nuremberg tana 65. Aduga Freiburg tana 53. Kenna bradu there. Kara kara loi mangnari. Kara dana yana chali, kara dana tin na chali. Such conditions were viewed as obstacle of economic exchange and the growth by the new commercial classes. Sumaina sum tawler di kamaina yaduino. It's like a new commercial class, new middle class, liberals mayam, new middle class tole mayam dina asise restriction ama le me chakhat pa che pa ammo economic development jo oiba ngammo. Aduna who argued for the creation of unified economic territory ama semaji semadi phagani haina kari to unhindered movement of goods people and capital mi ju ko chat pa yawa po yung thong yin yaba mafam da 11 mafam da thingna thamdo so ti chak chado khradi po je pu da tax levy to di phagani ana khane 1834 da di custom union ama sem Zollverein ana kanana semi asi kana karam chehida 1834 under whose leadership under the leadership of Prussia Russiana mako thamduna koi semage mana leader oiga semaine asida kana kana tawi ayamana German states me amje lo yawe 39 German states da lo ayamana yawe yawda khara yawe the union kai tawi asige Zollverein na trade movement ja introduced to khamai tawi abolish the tariff barriers lo khara 11 point tagi number of currencies hana aina abdo 30 dagina 30 le ramba je 2 gata oye adu simple ore network of railway stimulated tawra asina kai tawra economic growth la ani asina economic growth la di national unification asi smaina hoina punchal laga lera di chakhul la kani hai baje kok to dum lakro chakhul la kani hai baje lakto ni aduna a wave of economic nationalism isai kana the political nationalism laktri ko je economic nationalism economy je koi man pulla smaina thabak tor di chakhula ka ni hana khali neba asiki economic nationalism jina kari torne huje nationalist sentiment ama ningon da pi du ni idea akoi me am pulla ga leira di akoi gi nation ama leira ba akoi gi boundary ama leira ba asida akoi na freely trade to ga ma ba akoi gi political leaders me am ne ko represent to de khan ba ma ba ga hana so khala ka do ni adudi ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ nation state ꯁꯦ emerge ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ nation state ꯁꯦ emerge ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯤ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ conservatives ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ conservatives ꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ 1815ꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯕ conservatives ꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ conservatives ꯁꯦ mainly ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ monarchy form of government ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯗꯤ privileges classes ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ 1815ꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯕ conservatives ꯁꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ conservatives ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯒꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ conservatives ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ a political philosophy that stress the importance of tradition and establish institution and customs ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ emphasis ꯇꯧꯅꯤ stress ꯇꯧꯅꯤ importance ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ 1815ꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯁꯦ 1804ꯗ ꯃꯥ emperor of France ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 1815 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ 1815ꯗ battle of Waterlooꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ 1815ꯗ battle of Waterlooꯗ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯖꯦ conservatives ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ conservatives ꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯕ conservatives ꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ European government were driven by the spirit of conservatism ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯊꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ definition ꯄꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ conservatists believe that established a traditional institution of state and society like the monarchy, the church, social hierarchy, property, and the family should be preserved. Haiko Hanagi Poto. But 1815 the Lakadoiba. Most conservatives, however, did not conservatives, however, did not purpose a return to the society of pre-revolutionary state. Pre-revolutionary. Post-revolutionary. ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤꯗ pre-revolutionary revolutionary ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ revolution ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ societyꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤ conservatives ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ rather ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯅ change ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ civil courtꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ civil courtꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ change ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯁꯨ modernization could be in fact strengthen traditional institution like monarchy modernize ತಗೋದೋಯ್ನಿ ಹಾನೆ ಅರಿಬದು ನತ್ತವ ಅನೌಬ ಮಗುವಂದ it could make a state power more effective and strong when ಖಂಜೈಜೆ modern army ಥಂಬ ಯಾರೆ ಹಾನೆ ಅರಿಬದು ಥಂಬದಿ ಕಾನರೋಯ efficient bureaucracy a dynamic economy abolition of feudalism and serfdom could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe ಮಗನ ಖಲ್ಲಿಜೆ ಅದು ಖೆತ್ನೈ ಕೋ 1815 ಮಮಾಂಗದ ಲೆರಮ monarchies conservatives adu 1815 da kitang makhoi wakhallom da change lakpa je 1815 da asine ba Napoleon na tawjaramba pot tu duju makhoi na pura puri lothokpadi pamde ba Napoleon na tawramba pot sida makhoi na kai tawi Napoleon dagi khara lawsallaga makhoi gi hanagi afaba fattaba mayam do lothokraga afaba mayam ji hapchallaga modernize tawlaga anoba mongi rule taw anob mongi army sembalaga economic strengthen tawba khalline gyan tai ko aduna mathangda tawdoije akoina 1815 da kanana aina isa haigidu 1815 je Napoleon je maithiba piduine battle of Waterloo da asida yawriba the Britain France Prussia and Austria who collectively defeated Napoleon met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe asigi lamari mangaje Britain ne Russia ne Prussia ne Austria ne makhoi mayam je Napoleon je maithi piruraga akoi punji amtang khamai toraga Europe se sindok sige Napoleon na paichalamba lam mayam Napoleon na capture toraga lam mayam asi yenthok namba khamai toraga sindok sige an khana doine aduna makhoi na kida da phame the Congress was hosted by Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich ya phau nupa ni ko Metternich hai nupa je ya phau nupa ne ma je Austria ge Duke ne Chancellor ne matam dugi the delegates kya do unai makhoi drew up the Treaty of Vienna asena sai Vienna hai ban lamji 1815 ma je una doine hangi ko kari to bagi kari kana duri kari kuna duri with the object of undoing most of the change that comes about in Europe during the Napoleonic War. Napoleon gi war gi matamda semamba afaba natraga pamdaba mayam lo change tawbe nungji adudi aina isa haido conservatives na kari pami hanagi dynasty leiba adu maina sidu ayamana conservatives na Britain ju matamdu da Austria ju ha Russia ju makoje ayamadi autocracy ngata ni France kata ni change tawije the Bourbon dynasty yemko the Bourbon dynasty which had been deposed during the French Revolution was restored to power correct France lost the territories it had and annexed under Napoleon na lawsan amba lam mayam je loi mangre pithoki doni mo hai masen a series of states were set up on the boundaries of France kari to bagino ena sa hangaido state mayam simjala ni France ki boundary ta kari to bagino France ra amuk hanna attack torokta nama expansion torokta nama magi lamdu gi mana nakan ano state simengre aduti ategi state ano simai je buffer state na thamdro ne magi maning le hori ba lam achaubo mayam jina nga mokoi je kannama mokoi da pak changak tanama thus the kingdom of Netherlands which include Belgium was set up in the north ko Netherlands gi north sema aduga Genoa added to the Piedmont the Pithokra in the south the Prussia was given the territory of western frontier Prussia the Pithokra while Austria was given control of northern Italy but the German Confederation 39 states se mean touch to be thadong medam Russia the karipigi Poland and Prussia was given Saxony cause Saxony had a piece there aduga asigi mayam khaidok nei je France se weak tongna manila France ki expansion ja hindok ta na France abu khana migi lamda attack toraga lawsan dana ma migi lamje my powerful emperor me amji da lamji yen thuk na moi masen nga thamje intention kaino sugyamba planning toraga toriba thabak si kari intention le badu the intention was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. Europe the conservative order alone must form to do Napoleon na tawdo Napoleon the nation state ama form to nation ama form to mokona pamakta bane harbinger of liberty harami asi mokoi da sokla kani mokoi gi lamdu Napoleon dona tawdi revolution achuwa horokani revolution achuwa radi mokoi jo overthrow tawgrani another government la ani mokoi gi nuwa ba pha kanmen amaju phangro ani ki bidai mo nasmai semai ne adana conservative regime set up in 1815 were autocratic conservative regime mali kanano ayamana autocratic ni aina isa hai monarchy form of government they did not tolerate criticism and dissent mokoi mai ka wanga mo pamde ko and sought to curb activities that question the legitimacy of autocratic government mokoi the question tawba matam dugi government asida lera gadoi ba government che asida question tawba pamde aduna mokoi mainly kaitoni censorship se introduce tawne ba kai to to control newspaper da books da lila drama da isai da mokoi jasi loina censorship thamakodene freedom of press se later roy matam duda freedom of press later apne aduna sida phami ba puppets me am yengo cartoon jida mi me am je loi wari sanai ni wari sana mai machin loi khumdra machin loi khumba hai ma ma na ngning ma je ngang ngamdra asine ha censorship the club of thinker asida yaw je parka kita yaw the club of thinker anonymous caricature dating 1820 the niko 1815 the treaty of Vienna 1820 ga chahi mari je the flag on the left bears the inscription asida inscription the most important question of today's meeting how long will thing be allowed to us ngang yaw wakan khan badi ani an hai ni ba the board on the right lists the rules of the club asidana rule ye club ke rule ni awle silence tari ka rule no is the first commandment wang awle tumile to avoid the eventuality whereby a member of this club may succumb to the temptation of speech the way the muzzle will be disturbed to the member upon entering adudi phaminaba wani machin je loi khumine censorship ki da joke makhan ama uthoi ne ha censorship se the joke hani tauri ba mayam je newspaper phong aduga phoning mo jo phong ba yada ba adudi kai kan doi ba adugi potsen asida amuk yenga je kitang mate kama khatani ko the memories of the French Revolution nonetheless continue to inspire the liberals. French Revolution, the liberals inspired of. One of the major issues taken up by the liberal nationalists who criticized the new conservative order was the freedom of press. This question naman lakpa ya ipon. What was the views and some hierarchy? What was the major issues taken up by the liberals, nationalists who criticized the new conservative order? Asigumba, macha question macha line amada multiple choice lakpa yari poni sida. Natra adu hojik paragraph macha makatani asidi akoina Mazzini yamna famous oiba revolutionist Italy gi yamna famous oiba Joseph Mazzini hana hai madi yamna maring janju lai amagi wakhan je yam phajai mana hai je revolution ama success ho gya haradi naha myam gi wakhan chang dadi yaroi ahan myam kachu tawgada ngamde naha myam ji da inspired tawgada me naha myam ji na tawra kan da revolution success ho doine amai mate kitam parake adu noma matam sanga kan dai Joseph Mazzini gi maram du khara khara hai rakke same during the years following 1815 the fear of repression 1815 की मतुंग ददी conservatives लाबनी absolute monarchy योगसलाबनी अदुना अयाम्बा liberal nationalists में आमजे लोड खरनी underground ओइग्रनी को फागरनी हना कीबदगी मखोई क्लब सेमंबा मखोई organization सेमंबा में आमजे control तोगदन censorship थमगरबनी अदुना मखोई में आमजे मखोई हिंगदम मखोई group से अनोब group सेमानी secret societies carbonary गुम्बा सेमानी अनोब leaders याम थोलानी leaders Garibaldi, Mazzini, Gavaje. Secret societies sprang in many European states to train revolutionists and spread their ideas. Secret societies, load na thabak tawdro music. Hardi phone na tawmi khara we are to be revolutionaries at this time were main commitment to oppose monarchical form that had been established after the Vienna Congress to fight for liberty and freedom. Yeah, there was a crime way. Opposed over yadrabani. Vienna Congress की मतुंग the same government in aduna to fight for liberty and freedom. Darkalai adu set up to them. Most of these revolutionists were also shows the creation of nation states and necessary. Revolutionary group में आमजे मुझे खराब तो nation states से हम दरकार लई part of their struggle for freedom. Nation state ama दरकार लई. Nation state na tadi mokoina tawning ba mongda tawdori conservatives na aduna yaroi parliament legadabni government same ladabni haina asida Joseph Mazzini have nupaje revolutionaries one such individual was the Italian revolutionary Joseph Mazzini ya da poi ma de Giona da poi 1807 da poi ko date se khara yamna darga lekte adu khara di khanga daba ma jane sai hai gi carbonary माजे कार्बोनरी ग्रुप की मेंबर ने माजे चाहे कुनमरी सुबह कांदा माजे जेल द थागी करी तो बगे नो 1831 for attempting a revolution in Liguria वालम द माना revolution तो गया ना वतना रूबने है as subsequently founded two underground societies mana same first karamano e hakane young Italy kana na same gi in Marseille Mazzini young Europe kana same gi in Berenja Majini aduna whose membership were like-minded young men from Poland kada digi France Italy and German state. Imagine Thajarija believed that the God had initiated nation to be natural units of mankind. Line of Piramne. Not a nation had the same government. So Italy could not continue to be a patchwork of small state and kingdom. Italy patchwork is a housework economy. Adumana labor the carlite. Asigi man pull up na punjala kanda. Italy have a name. Lamja kaudune aduga nation ama form taudune. The unification alone could be the basis of Italian liberty. Unified Taurakanda, Italy ja. Kari wani Italian liberty hana oidone. Italy mati kharada lam kharada mi kharana pala adu nati mana hai je. Ekdam full up na punga. Following his model, secret societies were set up in Germany, the same France, Switzerland, Poland. Mazzini relentlessly opposition to the monarchy and his vision of democratic republic fighting the conservatives. Aduna Metternich Maja, the most dangerous enemy of our social order. Our social order has the conservative ki social order. Monarchical form of government ki social order. Aduna Manase Metternich ne yam sathi wa mine asi. Kanagi, akogi enemy ne. Akogi social order ki enemy ne. Country ki natte ba mana hai je. Akogi social order. Our social order. Hai na hai. Asibaw katani adu ay kitang recapitulate tawba ngambra yenga amu kitang recapitulate tawji recapitulate tawba kanadi mainly akoina parakadu jaina ngasa tawgi me ando making of nationalism in Europe 18th century the Europe mai tarami there were no nation state lairam deko asida nation state laite Eastern and Europe were autocratic monarchies lera aduga diverse people like Germany, Italy, Switzerland were divided into kingdoms. Aduga they did not seem have a sharing collective identity or a common culture. Manade, Londazu manade, Chatnavidu manadre, Amaju manadre. Habsburg Empire, Yam Chaunalay, Aduma the patchwork haina hai, and I said the patchwork of different regions and the people. Habsburg Empire Habsburg Empire was a patchwork of different regions and people. Alpine region yawi mangonda, Tyrol, Australia, Southern Finland, Bohemia, mangonda yawi lamje yawi ka. Aduga ayambadi Italian speaking people like German speaking people ju like matada hayodra. Hungary ki half of the population Magyar tawi different dialect speak tawi mi myam. Galicia the aristocracy ni ayam police loan loli aduga Bohemia, Slovaks asida the mainly three dominance groups also lived. Bohemia, Slovaks, asigi natana asida makata kaina pigiba lamda Habsburg Empire gi da piriba German speaking people, Italian speaking people, Polish speaking people asikata natana atopa groups ulai hai basida. Hang on name the dominant group that were included in the Habsburg Empire. Karamano Galicia aristocracy the Hungary gi Magyar obia Italian speaking people Lombardian Venetia German speaking people da isagi the period Habsburg Empire. Yantarani adugi matunda makhada mo kitang mo chaklate kitang mo yema classes aristocracy middle classes lai enabum thuna khaido kibuduni liberal conservatives ta aristocracy that the socially politically landed aristocracy or dominant class ni mokhoina mokhoi way of life common oi moi chamane mokhoi amane French speaking people ngatani mokhoi member of the groups hai yamna pi adu mokhoi united khamai oi by marriage alliance moi luhungani moi marriage alliance laini ko middle class tadi asi karam ganda industrialization gi matung da 18th century da asigi group se horopani newly emerged ni ko aduga mokhoi je ayamadi industrialists businessmen professionals oi Central Europe sta mokhoi ayam lari khaiba mi ngatani मखोइना अयाम्बा पामे जा unity abolition of aristocracy तौगदब aristocracy पामते मखोइ अदुगा हजिक liberals the liber haba warti thulapani meaning free aduga they were against the autocracy clerical privileges aduga they represent moina kari support to the constitution representative form of government through parliament they stress individuality of private property जो मैं दरकार ले रखा नहीं मोइना जो privatization हाई जे मतम दुदा असिगी मैम जे conservatives the mainly traditional institution support tauba like monarchy the church the social hierarchy akoina first stage second stage and pari do class 9 da dugi do support tawi mokoi adugam ayamba socially conservatives 1815 ki conservatives there mokoi modernization pame mokoi na khale je modernization ju lega dan thane ari badhi chatra ju anoga mong da modernize to selaga traditional institution je monarchy gumba ja anoga mong sindokpa natra state power is strong toba modern army thamba feudalism je abolish toba economic system je strengthen toba asina monarchy je strong oirakani ana thajene treaty of vienna da paba kanda no thenagi duni napoleon na semamba mayam cha loy andu tawdrobani bourbon dynasty replace tawrani hana depose togibudo restore amu tawrani boundaries set up by France there France की occupation दगी हिंदुक्तना मा France की occupation हिलक्तना मा future दा मपान कला जू attack तरोक्तना मा सेमकदुनि कमाई करे तो नेदरलैंड पिथोक्रानी नेदरलैंड दा बेल्जियम पिथोक्रानी नॉर्थ दा लेगानी जियोना दा पेडमोन पिथोक्रानी पेडमोन जी दा जियोना पिथोक्रानी अदे प्रूशिया दा वेस्टर्न फ्रंटियर्स पिथोक्रानी ऑस्ट्रिया दा नॉर्दर्न इटाली पिथोक्रानी रशिया दा पोलैंड पिथोक्रानी अदे प्रूशिया दा मुक सैक्सोनी हैव पार्ट से खरा पिथोक्रादमने मखोइना असिगी पिथोखिबगी matam jigi main reason hai tare akoina intention kaino the main intention was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by the Napoleon and create a new conservative orders in Europe asine main reason di mokoi Napoleon na monarchies me am throw to gibado adu muk hanna set up to ba pamba conservatives na pala bani na conservatives regime di misagi mokoi di criticism they tolerate tawro dissent curb the activities of question legitimacy and autocratic government question to ba me am ja pamde aduna mokoi na kai tawni censorship sa introduce to do kari da newspaper da book da play da song da idea of liberty je asi freedom je asi le hello da bani yan tara aduga ai marakta jolberian hai udra jolberian hai ga 1834 da jolberian hai ba custom union je kana form tawi under the leadership of Prussia asida ayamba German state yawi union jina kai tawi tariff barrier me am je muthatli number of currency 30 dagi to the onto a network railway network form tawi economic interest growth tawi economic interest growth tarabana economic unification di tawra economic unification tawrabanina new economic nationalism growth tawrani new economic nationalism growth tawrabanina nationalist sentiments mi khudi matam duda develop tawrani asigi develop tawbanina matam duda asidagi the sense of nationalism nation state habitha lakadune aduna masi chapter losala aduna mathangda mu chapter number khini masi gi dia sida rosundi the part 2 the making of nationalism in Europe. Thank you very much.